Hello everyone. As you all know that today is National Mathematics Day. And this year Rashtra Shakti Vidyalaya is going to celebrate it on virtual platform.
Hello everyone, my name is Jessica from class 7B. Today I will tell you about National Mathematics Day. Why do we celebrate National Mathematics Day? Born in 1887 in Erode, Tamil Nadu, the story of Ramanujan's trust with the mathematics is one of the most engaging tales read, depicted and performed through various works of art. Every year the country celebrates National Mathematics Day on December 22 to commemorate the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. From his childhood, he has a huge passion for mathematics, so much so that at the age of 12, he mastered trigonometry and developed many theorems on his own with no assistance. He awarded a scholarship to study at Government Arts College, Kumbakonam, but due to its abysmal performance in other subjects, he lost it. He ran away from home and enrolled himself at Panchayappa's College in Madras. In 1917, Ramanujan was elected to be a member of London Mathematical Society. In 1918, he also became a fellow of the Royal Society, becoming the youngest person to achieve the feat. London weather and the poor eating habits slowly affecting the health of Ramanujan, and he breathed his last in Kumbakonam at the age of 32. Thank you.
Hello friends, this time Mathematics Day is different. It's time for students around the world to get ready to celebrate the Mathematics Day, which is on 22nd December. Do you know that every year the largest math competition with more than 4 million students from over 17,000 schools and over 200 countries, territories and principalities participate. UNICEF and 3P Learning Team arranged world's largest free online education competition this year. This year it's different. A challenge to fit the usual competition at the virtual stage and to highlight math specialty and use while sitting at home. Our students try to accept the challenge and would like to message every student that whether they are in school or home, in classroom or in their study room, with their bags or books or with their tabs or laptops, math magic is everywhere. Activities showing math's role is everywhere, and to memorize Srinivasa Ramanujan's contribution is unforgettable. Thank you. Have a fabulous Maths Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Goswami and I am the student of class 7th B.
Hello everyone, my name is Manvi Goswami and I am the student of class 5th B.
Today we are going to represent with you some interesting facts on Ramanujan.
So let's start.
Hope you enjoy them. Ramanujan was born in 1889 in Erode in Madras.
In 1897, he passed his exams of Tamil, English, Geography and Arithmetic with highest score in his district.
In high school, he devoted books on mathematics and research on advanced theorems.
When he was 17, he developed the Bernoulli numbers and calculated the Euler-Mastroianni constant to 15 decimal places.
In 1904, he graduated from higher secondary school and awarded with a prize of K. Ranganatha Roy Prize in Mathematics.
He received a scholarship, but he failed in all subjects excepting maths, so he lost his scholarship.
He enrolled again in 1905 in another college but failed again and hence he was left without degree.
Although he had no degree, his mathematical studies impressed V. Ramaswamy Iyer, who was the founder of Indian Mathematical Society.
Iyer gave him the letters of R. Ramachandra Roy, and Ramachandra Roy gave the financial backing of Ramanujan and helped him in his research on mathematics.
He began to send mathematical papers to the famous British mathematician G.H. Hardy.
G.H. Hardy was very happy from these results, and he recognized and encouraged Ramanujan, and he asked Ramanujan to come to Cambridge and stay here, and he got the scholarship of PhD in mathematics in Cambridge.
Ramanujan stayed 5 years in Cambridge and returned to India in 1919 and died in 1920. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Kunal Sharma of class 7C and today I am going to tell you about the magical number 1729, which is also known as Hardy Ramanujan number and taxi cab number. So let's know the story behind the number. Hardy and Ramanujan were two great mathematicians. Once Ramanujan fell ill very badly. Hardy decided to visit him. He booked a cab to the hospital. Hardy always noticed the number of the taxi in which he travelled. The taxi in which he travelled to the hospital got its number as 1729. He thought about it for a minute, but to him it was rather an unimportant and ordinary number. He then went into the hospital. He inquired about Ramanujan's health and told Ramanujan about the number 1729, that this number is an unimportant and boring one. Ramanujan replied, "No, Hardy. 1729 is a special number. This is the only number that can be expressed twice as the sum of two cubes. In simple words, the number 1729 can be expressed firstly as 12 cube plus 1 cube or 9 cube plus 10 cube. There are totally 6 taxi cab numbers discovered till now, but 1729 is the smallest one. That's it. Thank you."
I'm Komal from class 9th B. As you all know, today is World Mathematician Day. So today I will going to tell you about Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887. He was great Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he has almost no training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contribution to mathematical alliance, infinite series, number theorem, and continued fractions, including solution to mathematical problems then considered unsolvable. Ramanujan initially developed his own mathematician research in association. According to Hans Esnek, he tried to insert the leading mathematician professional in his work, but he failed. For the most part, what he had to show them was too novel, too uniformly, and additionally presented in usual ways they could not be bothered. Thank you.